Welcome back to WordWise, the podcast series from Speak Savvy that helps you build a robust English vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Lily. In each episode, we dive into new words, helping you understand their meanings, pronunciations, and how to use them in everyday conversations. That's right, Lily. In today's episode, we're exploring the word serene. Serene, what a lovely word. Have you come across this word before, listeners?
Serene is an adjective. Lily, could you tell us more about it?
Absolutely. To be serene means to be calm, peaceful, and untroubled. It's often used to describe a person who is composed or a place that is quiet and tranquil.
Exactly. Think about those moments when you're sitting by a calm lake or taking a peaceful walk in the park. Those are serene moments.
Right, it's all about having a sense of peace and tranquility. Emma, why don't you give us some example sentences to illustrate the word serene?
Sure thing. Here's the first example. The serene expression on her face showed that she was at peace with herself.
Great example, Emma. This means she looked calm and untroubled.
Exactly. Here's another one. The serene landscape of the countryside was a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle.
Perfect. It means the countryside was calm and peaceful, a great contrast to the busy city life.
And here's one more. His serene demeanor helped to calm everyone around him during the crisis.
Fantastic examples. Now, listeners, we'd love to hear your sentences using the word serene. Share them in the comments below.
Yes, please do. Practicing with your own sentences helps you remember the word better and use it confidently in your conversations.
Well, that's all for today's episode of WordWise, where we learn new words to boost your English vocabulary and fluency.
Join us next time for another exciting word exploration. Until then, try using serene in your conversations and let us know how it goes. I'm Emma.
And I'm Lily. You've been listening to WordWise on Speak Savvy, where we make learning words fun and engaging.
Don't forget to subscribe and check out our previous episodes if you missed them.
See you in the next episode.